Your damn hood pop. Oh, I thought your hood would pop. Follow that boy. Go follow that boy. We in the projects, man. So with my boy D2 Time. Okay, his city. This shit louder than a motherfucker, man. Roll my windows up a little bit, so. My car over his junk. Right now we're finna head to Walmart and I gotta go see if they got something. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get where we going.
It be loud as fuck too. I can't open the door. It be loud, bro. His shit loud as a bit. Wow. Hold on. Open the door. Open the door. So I can hear them bitches. Them bitches loud as hell. This shit hard as fuck.
So with y'all, bud, we leaving the gas station, finna go to the square or go to a parking deck. See my boy. Following us for a few minutes. Then he turned off. So let me roll the windows up. But yeah, one of them turned, and then the other one followed us, trying to read our plates and stuff. But I thought they were gonna get it cause this nigga car loud, but he ain't mess with us. But right now we can go to the parking deck and flick up and stuff. Nice little area. Oh, dang. Turn quick on me. God, dog. Dang, mama had to roll the windows down. Oh, they caught following us, man. They ain't really got no lights up there. Probably a security guard or somebody finna tell us to leave or something. What is he doing? They really just came up here just to turn around. Man, what's a Yui? Gotta shake my flash on when I'm recording. Let boy these retains. Show y'all how to do it, man. That's what I was saying. Turn these off. Can't miss my battery. But for some reason, my lights keep turning back on, bro. That's gonna piss me off. The RT. I'm finna order some S6T badges. Man, why that light ain't on right there, man? Then they busted. Then they busted it.
That's some niggas sent us in the group chat. That group chat in.
Tell them to send it.
Call it loud as a motherfucker.
Tell them to send it to you. Yeah, I need it. That's what I gotta do next. I need to change them yellow lights to some white ones.
Oh.
I was gonna do it, but I never
You
did
want
it.
white lights on everything.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I wish I had my fog lights. The ring would be on right now, but no, can't put them in this bumper. I gotta get me a splitter too. I wasn't even thinking nothing about it. I thought it was like a security or something. Probably.
That light ain't on. Shit got right there. That light at.
It ain't no brighter light down that way. It look like the only one in the corner over there. What was I finna do? Gotta grab the mouse tool. Dang, somebody's on popping. Who that is right there? Try down there doing. Let's see this. See it. Hold on, the camera look good though. Huh?
It'd be a glare on the camera from the light.
They jump sound like popcorn.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a burble too.
It's a fucking glare in the camera. You can see it all right. Yeah.